Hey everyone, we're going to try some of this. I've tried snake oils before and so forth. But we've got a leak. Or should I say, I have a leak. Not a bad leak, but other things did not work. So, I'm going to try some of this Bars Leaks rear main seal. And I have a very sophisticated way of measuring. Actually, you're going to laugh about it because it's just it's just a pan, a drip pan underneath the car, but and it's been dripping a few more days, so one product I tried did not work, and I should have recorded it, and so anyway, I've changed the oil and everything else already, so we're going to give this Bars Leak rear main seal repair, add to engine oil. Seals timing cover, cam seal, rear main, and other hard to stop oil leaks. Okay. Most rear main seal leaks are caused by a combination of normal wear in the crankshaft and seal and drying. Drying, hardening, and shrinking of the main seal. Bars leaks, heavy duty rear main seal repair restores the seal to like new condition and also contains additive to stop leaks in severely worn, you can hardly read this, seals and crankshafts. Compatible with all petroleum-based engine oils, including high mileage and synthetic. Works with all vehicle types, including gasoline, diesel, turbocharged. For many vehicles, this is the last chance before paying for an expensive repair bill, which is probably true here. Instructions: add entire bottle to rear main seal repair to engine crankcase. When you add oil at the between oil changes, let me get on my glasses. How about that? Because I can't see. Add entire bottle of rear main seal to engine crankcase where you add oil. At or between oil changes. Do not overfill. Most leaks will stop within 100 miles or 2 days of driving. One bottle treats 4 to 6 quarts of oil, and I have 5 quarts in my Blazer. Larger systems use one bottle for every 5 quarts of oil capacity to prevent future leaks. Install rear main seal every 5,000 miles or with every oil change. And the other one says 200 miles, or the other one did say 200 miles. This one I saw was a little bit thicker. The other was thinner that I used, and it was like almost like water. and I actually think that I got more of a leak after using it. So we're going to try this and see how it works. And hopefully it'll work before I have to take it in and have it pay about $1,200 or whatever. It's ridiculous. And it's even more now that the economy has gone down the tubes. Okay, so I'm going to charge up the batteries and everything, and we'll get right back to you and go put it in, and I'll show you how I'm measuring. And like I say, the car's been sitting for 2 days, and it's kind of hard to actually tell how much is dripped because there's a cat that likes to lay underneath the car right there, so he smears the oil all over the place. Okay, so we'll get back to you in a few minutes. Bye. Okay, this is what we got right now. And as you can see, it's clean oil. So I'm going to clean this off. And then we're going to try the bars leak and see if we can stop it with bars leak. Get right back at you. Okay, as you can see, I've cleaned off the drip pan. My scientific way of doing things. And you got to remember, this car is 22 years old. So let's see if I can get some light on this for you. Not much. Okay. And the bars leak is in. So we're going to drive it around the block. In a second. Give me 1 second and I'll be right with you again. Okay, like I say, this car is 22 years old. It's got 197,000 miles. So, on that bars leak it says we'll stop within 100 miles or 2 days. So we shall see. I'm going to go around the block here just to get this thing going and make sure it gets circulated as soon as these people get out of my way behind me. Okay, and we will keep you up to date every day and see how it goes.